The journey of a child who transformed his life. Arav is like many children, smart, curious, and full of ideas. But something always held him back. He knew the answers, but not how to express them. His parents wanted to help, but didn't know how to build his confidence, how to guide him emotionally, or how to develop real-life skills beyond textbooks. That's when they found TAPES Solutions Enrichment Center, a unique Sunday program designed for students from 2nd to 9th class. Here, children learn to communicate, to express, to control emotions, to lead, and to believe in themselves. With every session, Arav grew stronger, more confident, more aware of his abilities. And soon, the child who stayed quiet became the child who inspired others. Every child has their potential. They just need the right guidance. TAPES Solutions Enrichment Center assists you to know, learn, implement, and transform yourself. Enroll now for just Rs. 1,499 per month.